All right, hello, welcome, folks. I want to take a few minutes today just to talk about FOMO in trading. And we're seeing a lot of things going on out there with Palantir pulling back, or Palantir jumping up, or GameStop, or Tesla, or Nvidia. There's FOMO all over the place, and we know that it's super detrimental to your trading. So I want to take a moment and just hopefully give my take on how I deal with avoiding FOMO, or that fear of missing out in trading. And it's one of the most dangerous psychological pitfalls in trading. It's going to cause you to act impulsively. It's going to lead to bad decisions, financial loss. Here's a couple reasons that FOMO is so bad for you. Number one, you're going to be chasing trades. And oftentimes, most traders are just rushing into trades based on hype or fear of missing out that opportunity. They don't really do any analysis on it. They just, somebody else is doing it. Oh, this guy on YouTube, or this guy on Twitter, or this guy's doing something, or I heard it, a rumor from my buddy, and I got to get into this stock. By the way, you guys got to check out this stock. It's going to the moon. Okay. Chasing trades, going to get you killed. Number two, you're going to overpay for the asset. Okay. So buying it at an inflated price due to panic buying, okay, instead of waiting for a strategic entry, going to get you killed. Okay. So you got to avoid those pieces, ignoring your own risk management. So traders abandon their own stop losses and their own risk controls, because of FOMO, and you're exposing yourself to major losses. Okay. Emotional trading. Most of you know how bad this is, but yet you do it anyway. Decisions are driven by fear and greed rather than logic and strategy and trading according to your plan. Another real key detriment here on FOMO is we've talked about patience and discipline being really the two most important things you need, along with consistency in trading. Okay. Those are my three cores. Okay. Discipline, patience, consistency. Well, FOMO is going to wipe all those out. Okay, FOMO prevents you from waiting for those high probability setups, and it's going to force you into a suboptimal trade that's really not going to work out. Sometimes it works out, oftentimes it doesn't. Okay, you want to be trading with a cool head, a level head, and trading according to your plan. FOMO is going to destroy that patience and that discipline that you have to wait for the right setup in a trade that you want. Good example today, Palantir drops 25% in 2 days. Everybody's freaking out that they want to get in now, and maybe everyone's going to buy here. People have been buying all the way up, and now people are getting smoked on the way down. Okay. And maybe there's some FOMO that I didn't get out yesterday, so it gapped down further today. So more people sold today. So some of the people just sold today because they feared that it was going lower. Okay. So, and FOMO is also going to increase your anxiety and your stress level, because if you're constantly chasing trades, okay, it's going to lead to emotional burnout. You're going to get wiped out. You're going to constantly be sweating trades. Here's how I avoid it. So, number one, you got to have a trading plan. Plan your trades, trade your plan, define your entry and exit points, define your entry criteria, your risk management, and stick to your doggone plan. Okay? Stop chasing other people's trade ideas. Okay? Number two, and we saw this a little bit in our Discord this week on some other things, but accept that you don't catch every move, and accept that not every trade's going up. Okay. But it's okay to miss out. There's endless opportunities. I just did a video on Palantir and why I'm not getting in, because I think there's better opportunities out there. Okay. Maybe I'll be wrong. Okay. But I'm sticking to my plan. Way to avoid FOMO is mentally, you have to know there's another trade out there. Okay. I'm doing just fine. I'm up 8%, 9% for the year. It's all good. Okay. And it's only been a month and a half. Okay, so it's all good. There'll be other trades out there. Another good way to help avoid FOMO is using at least some basic technical analysis. Base your trades on solid technical analysis and some fundamental analysis as well. If you do some technical analysis on Palantir, it's not good. Giant gap below, it could fall down. It could still go up. And you all tell me, oh, this didn't age well. Okay, because you're all trying to troll me on that thing. Okay, just accept it that potentially some trades go up, some trades go down. But for me, I'm sticking to my plan. Okay. And I'm going to stick to the fundamental analysis. A 500 and what is it? 63 PE. Does that make sense? Probably not. Great company, not buying it here. Technical analysis says overbought, wait, there'll be a better entry for it. And maybe that entry will never come, but I'm okay because I accept it. I don't catch every move and I have a trading plan. Okay. Next one here, practicing patience and discipline. Okay. The two keys that I talked about earlier. The best traders wait for the right setups and execute with confidence. Okay? They're not chasing other people's trades. They're not chasing trades unless they make sense. Implementing proper risk management. If you're using stop losses and right position sizing, you'll limit your exposure on those trades. Keeping a trading journal and a trading tracker, which as I do, helps me avoid FOMO. Okay, that's another great way. Another good way to do this is limit your social media influence. There's a lot of people, myself included, out there on YouTube putting out ideas. Okay, there's a lot of information overload. Really be cautious. What I don't want you to do is I don't want you to follow somebody's trade until you have tested it and make sure that it fits your risk profile, your risk tolerance, your goals, and your trading lifestyle. Okay. If that's the case, then figure out the trade and put your own trades on. Don't copy other people. So limit your social media influence and stay out of those. The last thing I'm going to tell you that I think helps when it comes to FOMO and is going to make it even better for you is trade in a group. Trade with other traders. They're going to prevent you from doing things that are stupid and against your best judgment. Okay. Post trades that you're thinking of, show your setups like our traders do in our Discord. Okay. And you know what? You're going to get instant feedback from people on, I don't know, you really should look at that. Maybe you should wait. Okay. Plenty of people. The reason I got started in a Discord at all wasn't my Discord. I'm in somebody else's Discord posting my trades was I wanted feedback. A great way to hold yourself accountable is to get into a group and post your trades live. I post my stuff on the internet, okay, so people can go out there and negatively bash some trades. Some people are really nice and giving me good comments. I don't know why you watch these videos and then give negative. Do you have nothing better to do, okay, out there? But either way, it holds me accountable. Okay. I'm putting on trades that I think make sense. I'm not trying to tell you to make 10% a day, 10% a week, or even 10% a month out there. I'm shooting 2 to 3% a month, trying to be more conservative. I've had some wins. I've had some losses. I win way more than I lose. Okay. My accounts are up exponentially over the last several years and decades. Okay. I'm doing something right. I'm sharing what I do. If you get some value in it, great. But I'll tell you, the biggest key for me was getting into a Discord, not my own, somebody else's Discord, and I'm in a couple where I just share my trades and I'm open to feedback. If you do that, you're going to avoid FOMO, trade with your plan, use patience and discipline, and you're going to find yourself a much better trader. Stay safe out there. Take care. And I hope this was helpful to you. If you like this video, click the like button down below. Go ahead and join if you're not a subscriber here, and we'll see you guys later. Take care. Bye-bye.